you go in?
没有了，我在外面。哇 they changed a bit library.
So you can go in
No, I just went past the glass panels and have a lap inside. Yeah, and then do your buckle cheers. Oh my god, they're still using the same vending machine, They're still using the same vending machine.
How should they change the vending machines are good, I miss them so much in RJ.
Okay, buy me a drink.
Can.
Hey, look! Our favorite lazy man's path down.
The benches are gone.
Even the plants are the same, I think.
Everything is the same lah, seriously. Remember we always sit here? I don't like the current RJ now. It's so sterile. Yeah.
Can say hi to uncle and verify whether he lives in Aljunied. Hey, air referee. My favorite pastime hangout corner. Air Rifle Range, why? Because the people I go home with are all air rifle people. It is? What? Rules changed lah. So how do you feel coming back to the Air Rifle Range?
I haven't seen any teacher.
Yeah. Oh my god, Air Rifle Range.
Do you need a flash?
Do you want to bring out the danger firing? Gross. No need to take out lah. Can. It's good enough. The light is good enough.
I remember every time we come here, I'll just